Hello friends, how's it going? I'm here at the gas station just getting some fuel for my journey today. This weekend got a lot of things going on in Austin. Got the MotoGP, which I'm not going. Yesterday it rained, and today I'm just a little too busy, so unfortunately I'm not going to MotoGP this year. I'm going to be heading down to the hand-built show here in Austin, Texas. Put it on your calendar if you haven't done so already. Come on down, check this out. The show's really cool. So I'm going to head down today. For those of you that do not live in Austin, I'm just going to take a ride today on the back roads to get downtown, so I don't go on the freeway. It takes over an hour to get there. On the freeway, it takes me about 30 minutes. But of course, the back roads are way more fun. I might talk a little bit along the way, but I think most of it will just be kind of riding, and I'll give you a chance to see the area and see my my route to get downtown without getting on the freeway. So with that said, let's get this show on the road. Starting to head towards some more back road kind of areas. Hopefully leave the red lights behind for a little while. This is a nice road. I really enjoy this. This is 2769, I believe. Well, it's about 85 degrees today. Nice clear skies, warm, but it's got a nice breeze as long as you're rolling on the bike. It's quite comfortable. Yep, there's some water spillage. Take a left up here onto Bullock Hollow Road. This is a very nice road. So we're kind of zigzagging our way on the western side of I-35 to get downtown. So like I said, it is not the most direct route, but it's the more fun route. Lots of bikes out today. Two reasons. One is the weather, and the other one is the all the stuff going on, the hand-built show and the MotoGP. Oh. Just go down here. I gotta cut through this neighborhood here to get me over to another cool road, which is City Park Road. It's got some curves in it, but this right here has a nice view from the top looking out. Pretty cool. This is a very nice neighborhood. This whole area around here has some nice homes. So this is City Park Road. You see here we have some little curves. Wee-hoo! I just felt the back end traction control kick in. And we're up here on the side of a mountain, or glorified mountain, a giant hill, I should say. This is the hill country, not the mountain country. There's a humongous house up here on the right. Up there. It's got like it looks like it has an observatory almost. It's got a big dome on it. Look at that thing. I don't know if you can see it from here. It's huge. Go down the street here and see it. I think this is a dead end. Yeah, this house here, look at this. See, it has this huge gate to get in. And here's another gated huge home. It's like a castle. Look at that thing. Wow. It's amazing. Actually, this hour-long ride is with all these stops and detours, is taking a lot more than an hour. But that's fine. I love it. Okay, so this is 2222, another famous motorcycle road. I'm going to put the bike in dynamic suspension. It's currently in road mode. Just stiffen it up a little bit since we're hitting some of these curvy roads. Hey buddy. Again, lots of bikes out today. Yeah, Austin has a really nice motorcycle community. Lots of bikes here. Lots of bike meetups. Lots of things to do. And we pretty much ride year-round. There's probably 2 to 3 weeks in total that are a little bit too cold, that get down into the 0 or 32 degree kind of freezing. But I pretty much ride all year round. And if it gets too cold, I just bundle up. Layers, quilted liners, all that good stuff. And I'm fine. I don't do any of the like heated vest or heated jackets or any of that stuff. Here's some more bikes coming off the a lot of sport bikes like this road right here, ripping up the side of this mountain. But there's a lot of police here sometimes and accidents, so I'm a conservative rider. I don't rip up this. I ride up it at a fun pace. Again, ride your own ride, right? Like about this route I have here, it's we're getting very, very close to downtown, and we're still on some fun roads, and there's still more twisty fun roads ahead. doesn't get really downtownish until we are actually downtown. And a super sharp turn right here. Can't see this on the camera, but this thing is like super straight down and hairpin turn. And you gotta be careful of the cars here coming over the yellow line, which they do a lot. This is a big turn going uphill. Ooh, yeah. So this whole trek I've planned out, this route here, it kind of follows the river. So the river's on our right hand side here. And that's why there's so many nice houses along this route, because there's it's got riverfront property here. Oh, here's a Porsche in front of us. Famous spot for people to come hiking. You can just hike up this little hill right next to us, and the river's down below us. Some nice views. Surprised there's not more people here. It's Saturday. Yeah, I'm gonna send the drone up here and see if we can get some nice aerial footage for you guys, so you see where I'm at. Okay, probably can't see it, but there's a downtown in the background there. Use the drone to zoom in so you can see over there. Okay, so we're basically downtown at this point, and I'm just going to go over here. Close this down. See, and the river's still on the right side of us, right-hand side over here. Lots of people hike, bike, and jog on this path here. It's a little warm. At some point I think we'll have like AI cameras that'll just fly off and film what I'm talking about. Like if I'm talking about the river, a little camera will just go flying off here to the right and go over to the river and show you what I'm talking about, and then fly back and connect up with me, follow me, fly around me. That'd be pretty cool, huh? My drone can already do that, already kind of follow me, but it's not great. You got to go pretty slow, and you risk the drone hitting the edges of trees, like the ends of trees, little twigs. Sometimes you can't see those, and the avoidance system will fly it right into a tree. That's happened to me a couple of times, so I don't really do that whole follow me drone thing. Too nervous. These drones aren't cheap. So we're just going up here a couple more streets to South Congress and taking a right, and we will be there. So crossing over the river here. This is the Colorado River. Down here they also call it Lady Bird Lake. Okay, so here we are at the Statesman Building and the hand-built show. Let's see if I can sneak in here. So here it is, free parking for motorcycles. Not that crowded. Seems like people are leaving. It opened at 12 o'clock and it is open till 12 midnight. Well, a bunch of gravel here. I think this is my friend Joel's RS right here. Park right next to him. Okay. Well, we're here. Let me get the microphone out here. Alright, we're here. If you want to see the insides, check out my other video. Got an extensive video of the insides and all the bikes and cars and some interviews, all that good stuff. But thanks for joining me. Any questions about this ride or any of the streets we took, let me know. I think that's about it. Thumbs up, subscribe as usual. Appreciate it. Comments, suggestions, insights, always welcome. Love it. I respond to pretty much every comment I can. And that's it. See you guys next time. Thanks for joining me. Later.